G'day viewers, it's Phil from SunRiseCars and Edward Lee's. Check out this very unique and special car. Call me crazy, but I had to have this just because it's immaculate and it's pink. It's just pretty, and I like things a little bit different. Maybe I'm a bit unusual myself. This is not for the faint-hearted. This is for somebody that just says, I don't care, I'm having fun, and this is a ball of fun. Classic motoring, and what's nice is it's a late model Rover Mini. It's a 93 model or 94, I can't remember, and it's got air conditioning and fuel injection and side intrusion bars, so it's safe, it's reliable. It's the sort of car you can drive every day and have fun in every day if you want to. To me, the air conditioning makes a massive difference. Yeah, it's just who needs to go to work in a lather of sweat, or anywhere for that matter, unless you're exercising. It's just pretty, look at it. It's got the special bling front grille. It's not standard. All the right badging. Mini Cooper, it's got the front driving lights. All the chrome work is immaculate on this little car. The paint work is immaculate. I'm sure it's not the original colour, but it's done to a very high standard, this car. So all the interior door jambs are done, and the dash, everything has been done. No expense spared. It's got the beautiful half leather seats with red piping. Special Mini Cooper steering wheel. It's a limited edition special steering wheel. Looks a bit like an Italian motor leader steering wheel. Little chrome. How do we get that picture looking good? There we go. Little mini gear knob, handbrake lever in stainless. These are your air conditioning controls here. It's even got cup holders, plug for your iPhone or whatever you have. Classic white face mini gauges. This has done just 56,000 Ks. And it's immaculate. It's got a nice set of alloy wheels. Let me see if I can find the bonnet catch here. We'll give you a look under the bonnet. Here we go. Nice 4-spoke alloys. Fender mirrors, which are kind of cool. Look at that, it's beautiful. Radiator support, even the firewall is pink. So a great deal of expense has been gone to. You can see there's a bit of insulation around the air conditioning lines. Air conditioning condenser up front, radiator off to the right hand side. Bosch fuel injection system on top. So if you want to have fun and you just don't care, throw your hands in the air and get a pink Mini. This car is available at SunRiseCars. Give us a call. Our number is 02 9744 0539, and we can send this little puppy anywhere in Australia. Give us a call and just check up on the compliance stage. At the moment, this car is in a waiting list to get the compliance done. So it might not be instantly available, but you can certainly put a deposit on this car, and we'll get it complied for you as quickly as possible. Little centre mount exhaust there, little sports exhaust, has a nice sound. Alright, I'll end the video on that note. Thanks for watching, signing off. Phil Lee from Edward Lee's, thanks for watching. I hope you get a kick out of this car as much as I do. Certainly not boring, is it? Thanks for watching. See ya.